Hello guys, in this tutorial we will learn about configuring fields in an issue template. So to get started, open the issue template, click on create button and it will open the issue template in Jira. So if you want to configure the fields for an epic or story, you need to select the issue type for which you want to configure the fields. So for example, I want to configure the fields for the task issue type. I'll select the issue type as task and click on configure fields drop down here. So at the moment you see that it's at the custom. If you want to see all the fields in the issue type task, click on all and it will list all the fields that are currently available for that particular issue type. So for example, it's listing assignee, attachment, components, description, etc. So it's listing all of it on that particular issue type. If you want to only see some of the custom values or the custom fields, so for example, you don't want to see components, you don't want to see fixed versions, you don't want to see priority or sprint or labels. Okay, you just want to see attachment, description, and reporter. You select that in the custom fields, which field to show on that issue type, and it will only list those particular fields. Some of the fields are default, you can't get rid of those. So for example, you can't choose whether you want to see project or you want to see like the issue type. So these are by default, they'll be there and you can't configure those. So the only fields that you can configure is what is listed in this custom column here. And here now you can see that you can only see the relevant fields that you have selected. You see summary, reporter, description, and attachment, right? So you see description, attachment, reporter, and summary is something which is mandatory. You can't get rid of it, right? If you want to check, say for example, you want to see a field which is not listed in this custom or in all, say, then just click on where is my field, and from here you can see that if that particular field is available or not. So for example, you want to see a comment field on the task issue type, then select the comment and it will give you a reason why that comment is not listed. So comment field is never present on the create issue form, right? So comment field you cannot have in the create issue form. Similarly, if you want to see some other, say, due date, so due date is not present on the form you are viewing. So create issue is a form and there are certain fields that are configured to be available on that particular form. So due date field is not configured to be viewed on that form. So if you want to get it configured, you need to contact your Jira administrator and he'll update this screen configuration so that then it will be listed in the task issue type screen. So that is all about configuring screens for the issue type in Jira. Thank you.